What's up guys, Big Clyde 34 here. Just wanted to stop by and thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, head down below and click that subscribe button. It's completely free and will keep you updated on the latest in the world of four wheels and an engine. Also, if you enjoyed the video, remember to smack the like button while you're down there. If you guys are into our content, check out some of our latest and greatest. You'll see it on screen. And also, down below, if you want to be the first to see everything that is Big Clyde 34, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks again for watching, guys. I love you all. Until next time.